In this video, I will show you how to add attachments when sending E-Invoice. Before we start, there are several things that you will need to take note of. First, when sending E-Invoice to the Singapore government agency, you may attach only one PDF document, with the size not exceeding 1 megabyte. This is the requirement set by IMDA. Second, for sending E-Invoice to non-government, you may attach up to 10 PDF documents, with size not exceeding 10 megabytes. Now, let's start. Upon recording an invoice, the system will prompt you to send the E-Invoice. Click Yes, and you'll be prompted with pop-up window that allows you to add an attachment. Click on Add File to add the attachment. When done, click Send. That's it. That's the steps to add attachment when sending an E-Invoice. Now, let me show you how to check if you received an attachment when receiving an E-Invoice from a supplier. Go to File, select Process E-Invoice or E-Bill. Select Sync E-Bill Status, set a date range, and click the Sync button, click OK. Here, you will see a list of E-Invoice you received. Under the Attachment column, when you see a Yes, there are attachments in this bill. Alternatively, in the Purchases module, click on Purchase Register and view the E-Invoice bill that was recorded in the system. In here, you will also see the indicator on the top right corner, if the bill contains attachment. To view the attachment, proceed to open the Attachment subfolder in the local drive location, where your ABSS software application is installed. That's it. It's that simple. Thank you for watching our video.